For this dish, you'll need 1 small bay leaf, 1 inch of ginger finely diced, half of yellow onion chopped, 2 scallions chopped, 2 Roma tomatoes chopped, 1 yellow squash chopped, and half a red and orange bell peppers chopped, and 8 ounces of oyster mushroom seasoned with sea salt and FSTP curry alkaline mix. To a hot pan, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil on medium-high heat. Once your pan and oil are well heated, add in your oyster mushrooms that you seasoned earlier with sea salt and FSTP alkaline curry powder mix. Fry your oyster mushrooms until they're cooked through and browned on each side. Be sure to continuously stir the mushrooms so they don't stick to the pan or burn. Now it's time to curry your veggies. Add 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil to the pan. Add in 1 tablespoon of your FSTP alkaline curry powder mix. Stir well with the oil to combine fully. Once your seasoning is mixed well into the oil, add your bay leaf, habanero peppers, ginger, and onions to the pan and stir well. When your onions become translucent, add in your scallion, thyme, and tomatoes. Stir well to combine with the curry powder mix and onions. Add your squash, bell peppers, and cooked chickpeas to the pan and stir to combine. Add an additional tablespoon of the alkaline curry powder mix and stir. Season your food with sea salt to taste. After your food has cooked for a few minutes, add in spring water, about 1/4 to 1/2 cup, or you can just cover your pan at this time and let the veggies release their own water. You can serve your curry veggies with wild rice, quinoa, dumplings, or as I did here, alkaline roti. Give this meal a try and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.